I think it's going to be Brad's fault for all this. It has to be.
Has to be? That's a strong
Has to
statement.
be. It has to be Brad's fault.
No, Angelina for sure.
How can you say that? It's
Because I can say that
No,
because I know for a fact.
you cannot say
It
that.
is
Have
her
you
fault.
seen her right now? She
No.
is in
The
no
blame
state.
goes to Angelina.
You cannot say that.
The blame goes to Angelina.
You know what? If you want to talk about, let's freaking debate about this right now.
Go for it. Cal, why is this weather like this? It's such a bummer. I want to step out.
Don't you feel a bit cozy inside the office? I mean, you're still in the office, but it feels nice, cozy, dark.
It feels not so nice, not so cozy, depressing and gloomy. Anyways,
yeah.
Hollywood buff. Did you hear about the story? Angelina and Brad?
It's kind of sad, actually.
I agree, damn sad, dude. I mean, 12 years of love, marriage, picture perfect family, and now suddenly divorce. 2016 just so jinxed for so many couples.
2016 sucked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
And
you know, in
bit
the
of it is left, though. I'm scared now. Who's next?
but you know, in the end, I think it's going to be Brad's fault for all this. It has to be.
Has to be. That's a strong
Has to
statement.
be. It has to be Brad's fault.
No. Angelina for sure.
How can you say that? It's
Because I can say that
No,
because I
you-
know for a fact.
you cannot say
It
that.
is
Have
her
you
fault.
seen her right now? She
No.
is in
The
no
blame
state.
goes to Angelina.
You cannot say that.
The blame goes to Angelina.
You know what? If you want to talk about, let's freaking debate about this right now.
Go for it.
Let's talk about Brad.
What about him?
Infidelity.
What about infidelity?
On the sets of The Dark Knight Rises, I'll give you the perfect example. Dark Knight Rises, Marion Cotillard, they are shooting for their next movie, Allied, which stars Brad Pitt. They have a scene in their vanity van. It's all over.
You're just so shallow. Just because two actors are working together again means they are having an affair. Obvious choice. Anybody in Bollywood works together, they're dating. Anybody does a film again together, they're dating. They must just be loved as a couple on screen. What the hell?
No, I'm saying it's known for Brad
I don't
Pitt to
care
have
what you are saying.
affairs and flings and everything like that.
It's
He's
known
Brad Pitt,
because
obviously
it's
he's gonna want to go
rumored.
and do that shit.
Yeah, Angelina. So many people
She's
are
a
attracted to
respected
her.
woman, she's a respected actress, and she loves her children, and I'm telling you, she's faithful.
What about Angelina?
About her, she's perfect in everywhere.
Ooh. Anorexia is not perfection. She's been looking so ill lately, haven't you seen? I mean, not attractive.
Maybe the weather's gotten the better of her.
A lot. She's just looking really unattractive
It's,
and ill.
you know
She's
what,
lost
it's,
so much
it's
weight.
Stress.
I think she's
It is stress. You know what?
she's having health issues, bad
It's
ones.
obviously she's gonna have health issues. She's going out promoting stuff. Taking up causes, doing something for the world. What is
It's
Brad
not just
Pitt doing? Yeah.
Angelina doing all of this. Every actor is trying to work
But
for
she
causes,
does
promoting
more.
films.
She does
No.
more. She has.
I think having 6 kids and not being able to, she's not been working too much lately has taken a toll on her health. And as you know, good health is very important for a healthy
But
married
a person
life.
who works towards
So,
the betterment
that's why it's
of
not working. It's her health.
no.
It is her health.
I know.
It's Angelina's health.
You know why she's sick? The very reason why she's sick and she cannot be taken care of by Brad because there's money problems.
Money problems.
Because
तो
there
हो
is
गई ना.
money.
When did she do her big budget last film? In 2014, Maleficent.
When did Brad do his last one? What a big film that was.
Well, you know what? Angelina shouldn't have adopted so many kids, should not go out for humanitarian causes, instead should focus as Brangelina on endorsements to make more money and support themselves and family and not have stress and not give up on their relationship.
You know, she never asked for anything in the divorce proceedings.
हाँ तो ठीक है उसने पैसे नहीं मांगे but she's so cruel. She's keeping her father away from the kids. I mean, only visiting rights.
Listen, if your husband had anger issues now, you would do the same damn thing.
First of all, don't get personal. And secondly, anger क्यों नहीं आएगा? 6 बच्चे आसपास घूमेंगे तो, and you're talking about issues. Angelina is an alcoholic. She can't take care of the kids, and it's not right for her to ask for full custody.
She must have had damn good reason to do the thing. Sad, yeah. I just feel really sad that it's that.
Yeah, I'm also sad. I'm actually heartbroken.
Hashtag heartbroken.